So it's day 3, or at least we think it's day 3. It could be day 4, but we're not quite sure. But we'll roll with it's day 3. So yesterday we got the seats out and the lower dashboard and the centre console, which was a task in itself. So today we've got to remove the rear carpet, which is probably the easier of the two, and then the front carpet, and all this plastic trim that holds the carpet in as well. So we are assuming this is going to be the easiest day so far. We've allocated a grand total of 2 hours to this project, or task, not really the project.
Yeah, it's 6:15.
Yeah, it's 6:15.
We're going to be done by 7:30. Yeah, so we're going to remove all the plastic first.
Yeah, this awful grey plastic's coming out first. These are fake M Sport door seals.
Well, they're not fake, so we're going to remove all them and then we'll remove the rear carpet.
Yeah.
Easy stuff.
Easy stuff. Why do you always... Can't I have the plastic one?
No, that is one of the best tools I've ever owned.
I don't want the spatula, I want the plastic
No,
one.
you're having that, which I'm going to name it...
Don't work.
I'm going to name it Andy.
Andy's crap.
Andy's the tool of all tools.
Yeah, it's a tool alright.
Oh, I got it out.
So, what's holding that in is these two clips.
And one screw on the end.
Let's socket. Well, this Andy's crap. I don't like Andy.
You can't beat Andy. Can you not mark my Alcantara Ultra Rare?
Well, guess what? If you didn't use Andy, the metal one, and you used the plastic one, I wouldn't mark the fabric, would I?
Just going to diss Andy like that. Don't know how you dare. I think it's
It
the middle
hooks
one.
in. So it hooks.
Oh yeah, so it does.
So it probably unclips and slides.
Yeah. So unclip the bottom and then slide down. Probably the best bet.
25th of the 11th, 02.
That is one thing about this so far, is that every single clip hasn't came out properly. Or easy. That's disgusting. Yeah, if you look on my side, I've already got it all out, everything.
Will it never open again?
There we go. Do you need Andy? You need Andy, I know it. Just admit it. There's Andy.
Hang on, there's another screw.
Andy's day will come.
So, instead of a screw, they use a plastic one. So it's flathead, it pulls out.
Right, I'm pulling this out. I think it just pulls out. Oh no, it clips around the rubber thing. Alright, don't just pull it up. More clips. Let me get a close up of them, in case we forget where they go.
So, yeah, that was held by torque screws. Tiny. But a flathead worked. That easy enough.
So, somebody's bust my pedal.
Yeah, basically, to get the pedal out, you have to move this clip out of the way. So now I've moved it out of the way, it's off.
Yeah, by moved out of the way, you mean you've snapped it?
No.
How are we possibly going to secure the pedal back in place now? So essentially, all that clip does is hold the pedal in.
What do you think it'll be in? Alright, where's it gonna go?
Alright, put your foot on the pedal now. Yeah, I don't know.
Well, I've not slid it in. Look, barely moves.
Well, we'll see about that later, because I'm not quite convinced. You notice this carpet stinks.
Yeah, I've noticed.
That really does, don't it? No wonder the cars stank all the time.
Maybe a 7.
I think a 6.
Yeah.
So yeah, 6.
Again, there's 2 clips inside. I suppose you could just push up. Yeah, push up.
Okay. So let's move everything to the front temporarily. We need some pliers.
this off?
Yeah, they were 10mm. Then, where is it? You need an Andy, and then that just pulls off. Which I don't think you'll need to remove it all because it's connected to there. I think we can work around that.
To do it properly, you'd remove the whole lot.
Yeah, you probably would.
Because these pins basically hold the carpet quite well. So when the new carpet goes in, we'll cut it so you can just push it in.
Yeah, I think we cut it straight down the middle and we'll just push it over. As far as the underneath goes, we'll just shove some of this old carpet back under, just for sound deadening, and leave it at that.
I think you'd get quite a bit under. Basically, you won't see it anyway, so it makes little difference. I don't recommend this at all.
No, I don't.